Students, can you tell me this is input trigger 1 in the first time slots? Which all transistor is on? Which all transistor are off? Can you tell me, students? When trigger 1 is applied, what will happen to Q1, students? Students, when input trigger 1 positive pulse is applied, what will happen to Q1 transistor, students? Students, what will happen to
One.
transistor Q1? It will be on, right? That is Q1 is on. I'll write here Q1 is on. If Q1 is on, what will happen to Q2?
Off.
Off. Q1 is on, right? Okay, Q1 is on. Okay, Q1 is on. If Q1 is on, Q2 will be what? Off. Okay, because Q1 is on, its output will be what value? Its output will
Zero.
be what? 0. So I'm marking this point here. Its output is 0. Okay, its output is 0. What will be the value of VCE2? VCE2, if VCE1 is 0, VCE2 will have what value?
VCC.
VCC. So I'm showing that point here, VCC, right? Okay. Now if I apply input triggered 2, which transistor is on in the slot? If I apply input triggered 2 as positive, what will happen to Q1? What will happen to Q2?
Q1 is off, Q2 is on.
Q1 is off, Q2 is on. Because Q2 is on, its output will go to which value?
Zero.
0. It will go to drop to 0. And what will be the value of VCE1? If VCE2 is 0, VCE1 value will be what?
VCC.
VCC. This will go to VCC. Clear, students? Now, next time, again I'll apply input trigger 1. So what will happen to Q1? Again Q1
On.
will go to which? On. So Q1 is on, Q2 will be what value?
Off.
Off, right? So because Q1 is on, its output will go to which value?
Zero.
0. And VCE2 will be what value? Because VC1 is 0, VC2 will go to which value? VCC,
VCC.
right? Like this, it keeps on continuing depending upon your trigger pulse, how you are applying it. Okay. Clear, students? Have you understood? Now, please see here, students. Okay. As you said, 0, you have said, no? Whenever the transistor is on, okay, it will not go directly to 0. Okay. It will not drop completely to 0. You will get VCE saturation. It will not be 0. It is almost near to 0, not exactly 0. So only I've written it a little bit top. It is VCE saturation. That is 0.7 volts. Okay. For a diode to switch on, what is the minimum voltage required? 0.7, right? For a silicon diode. Similarly, for a silicon transistor also, there will be 0.7. Okay. So it will not go directly to 0. It is near to 0. Like that, you keep it in the mind. Is it clear, students? Whenever it is on, okay, transistor will drop the voltage till VCE sat. That is almost 0. Clear, students? Have you noted down the waveform? Students, have you noted down the waveform? Clear, students? Have you understood the concept? Bistable multivibrator. Students, have you understood the concept of bistable multivibrator?
Yes, sir.
Students, is there any doubt? This will be given for 10 marks. You have to explain the working principle of bistable multivibrator with the circuit diagram and the waveform. Is there any doubts?
So for D recorder, can you send us the lab manual, sir? Previous year's lab manual.
Lab manual you wanted? Okay. I'll send.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Lab manual you wanted, lab record you wanted.
Anything, sir.
Okay, lab record if you send, you will copy it, so we don't want that to happen.
Manual, sir, which has list
sir.
and that procedure.
You wanted, yes, sir. We'll send.
Okay.
Students, any doubt with this concept? Students, I have put the attendance Google form in your chat box. You can give your attendance. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you, students.